Babe, where you buy this gold? Na Rikkies Gold, oh, original, no dey make noise.
Pass that fried rice, please. It's Rikkies Catering. We give taste and class.
Guy, it's Rikkies Catering. They serve elegance.
Even the food sweet pass your toast.
Both na from Rikkies Gold and the plate.
If small chops no come from Rikkies, I know they chop.
You want enter marriage looking basic? Now they feel like a Lagos king. You smell nice and look even nicer.
No, I smell Rikkies and look Rikkies. From gold that speaks royalty to food that tastes like home, Rikkies Gold and Catering Services is Lagos luxury, served daily. At Rikkies, we've got high-grade perfumes and classy ready-made outfits, all at affordable prices.
You can shine and dine the Rikkies way. Reach us now on WhatsApp.
Want a video like this for your brand? Type "I'm interested" below.